Hello everyone, welcome to Logos Center. Today our hand pump got spoiled. Look, it's not working. So we thought, okay, let's repair it. And when we repair it, we thought it would be good to have a video also. Thank you very much for watching our videos. And if you have not subscribed to our channel, we request you to please subscribe our channel, share and like also whatever videos you are watching. So today we will be checking it. It looks like the washer is gone, and along with our students we will be repairing it. So this is also a kind of learning, I believe. So we will learn how to repair the hand pump which is not working. Done. Okay, we are going to open this, and in opening this hand pump, Lajos and Aniket will be helping us. Okay. Great. So now the bolts are taken out. We will lift it. Yes, lift this up. Lift it. Oh, the washer is gone. Look, the washer is not there. So I think the washer is inside. Who will put the hand inside? Okay, please. Rishi, put your hand inside and take out all the parts which have gone down there. Oh yes, one. See the washer. Oh, there's a nut. Okay, so this is the valve which will be fixed like this. So first we'll wash it and then we'll fix it. Well, so we have got this washer which which came out from this pump. So now we are going to fix it. So washer looks like it's has to be changed, but right now we don't have the spare one, so we'll be using the same thing. And this is the valve, and this is the nut which will hold it. So let's fix it. We'll use this. We'll put it this way. Now it is fixed properly. Now we will put it inside and see whether it works. Yes. Now please give me the nuts. We'll fix it quickly. Nuts and bolts. Now fix it. Great. Yes. Right. The third one. Okay. Wait. Let him also put it, and then we'll fix. We'll tighten it. Just give me this. No. You have to get it tight enough. And then let's see whether we have really repaired it. Can you just give me? Let me tie it. Okay, 1, 2, and then the third one. Okay. Now let's see whether we have really fixed it. whether it works. Oh yes, hey, look at this. The water is coming. It's dirty. We'll just pump it and let this get clear. See, the water is clearing up. Yes, yes. Now see, the water is clean. So, Lajos, Aniket and Rishi, how did you like this? Have you ever opened a hand pump like this?
No, sir.
So this is the first time. Now you know what is there inside, no? And I guess if anywhere the hand pump is spoiled, you can repair it now.
Yes, sir.
Great. Thank you very much for watching. See you in next video.